Non, moi c'est Many Harris. Journey ça, c'est une journée qui est vraiment difficile pour moi. Parce que après nous fin passer rivière ça, situation a vraiment changé. Un accident qui est vraiment danger. C'est très très difficile pour montrer nous, même dans le niveau que this is Many Harris and this is my documentary. Qu'on y a nous quitté Saint-Joseph, l'hôpital dans Kofridia, Ghana, Afrika, après avoir 10 docteurs pour forcer me faire surgery dans le genou, moi dit non, je voulais faire naturel, pour un bilancement la caille. Vini.
You have to sit.
Wait, I have to sweat?
Sit.
À terre. À terre.
Sit?
Yeah.
How you do
J'en
that?
fais descendre à
You
terre.
do it.
Ouais, mais
You
je
mean I have to
peux,
put it on
mais
this
j'ai
thing or what?
expérience.
You sit down. With your leg
C'est
hanging.
ouais, dans zone là qui recommande d'initier. Ouais, mais je peux.
Oh. Okay, so let's lift both sides. Let me move my body slowly. Move my body.
So, faut monsieur faire un gens qui
You don't
normal
have
pour
to
pas
worry
faire
because
mal.
he has
Ouais,
experience
mais je
in
peux,
this.
monsieur a une expérience dans ça.
I'm sure he does. I'm sure he does.
Expérience.
More?
Down.
More?
No.
Oh, on the floor?
Yeah.
Well, I gotta go down the floor.
I bet enough home. Yeah, he wants to sit on the floor.
Okay, so he has to balance it with my butt.
He will do that. That's why he's holding your leg for you. Do you need my help?
No. But he
Est-ce que
understands he has to
vous
balance it with my
comprenez
butt.
balance
He knows what he's doing. His job. I'll say also balance it with the corner.
And I will try straight.
He said you sit straight.
Okay.
So try and relax there. I like okay.
Yeah.
You're doing a good job. Yeah, doing a good job. You're the best. You want to say something?
C'est combat
If
avec
you feel pain or anything, you tell me.
Yeah.
sous sens douleur, on m'a dit.
No.
Si je panique, je ne vais pas vouloir regarder, ok?
Me?
Yeah.
No panic. Then don't make me
Pas fait un
panic.
peu.
It's not me. It's the body reaction. Come on.
I'm coming.
You still have to open it. Come on. Be careful, boss. On this side.
It's where POP cement, no.
Maybe I didn't sing with you.
Oh, okay.
Yo, Bakubi will have the papa.
I see what they are not age, not dumping a buno.
We need to send it. Think papa.
Anyway, alright.
Yachi. Show me some. Abuzu. Ya jauh. Ninyo bo bin waju tumezana. Wasi yankon. Bo bisi yankon ti. Dabi. Nana numine. Abraham de mitu so kwa ba o se nana numine kwa ku ni Shelly. Na we no mwango bi. We no mwango.
I thought you said you didn't get hit.
What's the most like bagan can coupe
Yeah,
up
the
here?
bone did not come out.
No, bagan can coupe. It's just
Ina go guy.
It's inner
bagan can zo ki sorti de yo. Bagay kasé en dedans.
bleeding. I said I didn't get hurt. My leg is a cast.
No.
Okay.
You didn't get any scratch or something.
Not that I know of.
Rene ekuro.
You go home.
What does that mean?
There's sore.
L'enflé pile. C'est assez l'enflé.
There's sore.
What does that mean?
Sore. Did you get sore?
What does that mean, sore?
Injured. Like there's a scratch.
No.
That means there's a sore there. Like it's initially.
Maybe a small cut. It could be a small cut.
You know now who's to now.
Very true.
In that. Oh, okay.
Ah, j'ai ouvert pièce ça, on dit son cadeau.
This one is the.
Monsieur a ouvert là.
This one. It's a little swollen though.
Still swollen.
Okay, so what is he gonna do?
You have to raise it and remove it.
Zim, ça le fait là.
Slowly.
Lever pied.
No.
C'est
like one,
s'il vous plaît, doucement.
one hand here, one hand.
I know.
Very dear. Making noise. Do it.
Wait.
Sana vale.
Oh God.
You may wow.
Bre, nasi ni.
Yeah, he has to put your leg there.
Well, does he want to move this there?
Yeah, and then bring it at the
Can
side.
we move it like closer to here?
So konya mi se vle
This?
mari médicament naturel là
We have to remove this.
avec on wazi son feuille
Italian.
tabac
So,
avec œufs pour laver puis avec œufs on ze moko jom on ze go on
he
ça
has to.
maybe
from
son ze
here,
ko
from
den
here,
on
and
ze
left hip, I'm going to lift my butt
Back on it.
same level so that there's
dis
no
mi se doucement
Frank, can you explain that to him? Okay, so don't shift it. Just a balance. Just balance it, and I'm big with my body. Okay, but I don't have enough space here though. Can I push the? Should we push the bed?
You have to. He has to put your leg there. You come forward.
Oh, I gotta go forward. Okay, so one here, and I'm lifting my butt, so we can do a balance.
Nani belah. No belah.
Okay, but like I said, Frank, yeah, just one right here, and then I'm trying to minimize my pain, and right here, and balance it, and I'm gonna lift my butt slowly. Slowly. I'm gonna lift my butt slowly. I'm gonna lift my butt. Wait, I'm gonna lift my butt slowly. Wait, I'm gonna lift my butt slowly. 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 Slowly.
You can.
Ada mau iya masa.
Lift my butt slowly.
Into space in here. Space in enjoy the
No.
No,
Down.
you sit on it. You sit on it.
Raise your back.
non fon fel by force sin pas fel by force mi se pas quitter no fel est-ce que bon point si on fel by force sinon occuper monsieur pas capable jamais faire travail là
Raise your
pas
back.
monsieur occuper
Wait. But the thing is, if I raise my butt, you have to raise this too, Frank, at the same time. If I'm raising my butt. My butt is raised. My butt is raised.
Pijak ko sudah.
My butt is raised.
Raise a little bit.
Nangko sudah Ini cili ya, yang kau ni.
Okay. It's raised.
slowly avec pied avec œufs
Slowly.
on va nous marier là avec fait tabac là avec fait banane là. Bien laver pied à œufs
I tell him there's also pain here. I'm done. Let me raise up. Raise up. Let me raise up.
non moi me saisi là moi me c'est pas saisir ça ma comme c'est son ils ont demandé mais c'est pas le fruit dans pied ça même
I want to raise it. Oh. If you're gonna raise it, let me know. Because you can't raise just this. You have to raise this one too at the same time.
I'm not going to raise it.
How's that? The camera.
Yeah, I'm recording it. I have to do the best so that when you finish, we'll do it
Forget
fast.
the bed. Forget the bed. Forget the bed.
Pardon?
Forget the bed.
Anne-Marie elle finit encore que faut nous mettre monsieur sur cabane là nous fini sur cabane non pas monter sur cabane non même pas monter sur cabane encore on dormir à terre on va pour dormir à terre pas monter sur cabane non on va monter sur cabane non à terre trop frais faut monsieur aller sur cabane à terre trop frais dans fin Marie
Get a pillow to support my back, please. A hard one or whatever you got. Hurry up, please. I can't hold my hands anymore. Get a bigger one so I can. I'll tell him I'm not going back in the bed.
You'll have to raise your leg so they.
You're not listening to me.
Pardon?
I'm not going back in the bed.
Alright, let's finish with this and then we'll talk about the bed, man.
Well, what do we need to do?
You have to bandage. Use the bandage to bandage what.
Okay, so you want me to raise my butt?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay.
But you know you can't sleep on the floor.
No, I'm sleeping on the floor. What do you mean? I can't sleep on the floor. I'm sleeping on the
Mo
floor.
fi egbe ni bi wo.
What's it?
Mo fi egbe ni bi wo.
Ti sɛ mokɔ ebi nkɔfa bi ba
Ko fa bla no antena so.
baako.
Ani mo mbe bo kakra.
I'm not going back on that bed. I'm telling you right now. I'm not going back on that bed. I'll pass out.
That's the one time panic for.
Oh, be da so.
I said you have to sleep on the bed because you can't sleep on the floor because there's too much cold on the floor. And then the weather is cold too.
We can put towels. It's okay.
Maybe I'll look my
You don't understand. It's not. The penny's not on you.
Yeah, no, I know. I understand you.
I see myself going through that again.
Baga wè mal a leve la pase manke toilet sou mwen la.
He said he has seen worse situation than yours.
I'm sure he has.
Ah, mi se di wè pi mal kondisyon ke paso, wè moun gen de piye kase wadi se son ket kat. On ti fè moun kase. So gen la pa rien.
Alright, just stop.
Fè me kamera.
Get me another towel so I can put, because I'm trying to lift that. You see what I'm holding? Can you get another towel so I can have that, please? Hurry up, Hilda. Just because where I'm holding, just to fold it, just fold it. Yeah, just to have that support. Slowly. Ah, slowly. Okay. Let's do this again.